Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the 7th lesson, alternating current. So from 7th lesson, we are going to solve 7.1 and 7.2. Let's enjoy the class. A 100 ohm resistor. Okay. So a resistor of resistance 100 ohm is connected to 220 volt power supply. So 220 volt power supply of 50 hertz. Okay. Of 50 hertz AC supply. Okay. So when it is AC supply, then the 220 volt is taken as ERMS. Okay. So what is the RMS value of current? Okay. So what is the formula? Relates ERMS and IRMS. Okay. So we know that V equal to IR. Now we can ulta this formula. That is ERMS equal to IRMS into R. The multiplication R comes to this as division R. So ERMS by R equal to IRMS. Okay. Now ERMS is 220 volt. Okay. 220 volt. So divided by R. So what is the value of resistance? Is 100 ohm. 100 ohm. That is IRMS value. Okay. So 0, 0. So in the denominator we are having one decimal. So that, okay. So 2.2 ampere. Okay. So what is the second question? What is the net power consumed over a full cycle? Okay. So average power equal to ERMS into IRMS. Okay. ERMS. So what is the value of ERMS? 220 into IRMS 2.2. For 1 0, it becomes 22. So 22 into 22, 484 is the power. The unit of power is watts. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts. Okay. Now we are going to the second question. The peak voltage of an AC. The peak voltage. So what is the meaning of peak voltage? That can be taken as E0 is 300 volt. So what is the RMS voltage? Okay. So what is the ERMS? Okay. So ERMS equal to E0 by root 2. Okay. So what is the value of 1 by root 2? That is 0.707 into E0. So what is the value of E0? 300. Okay. Now 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Here 1 2 2 0. How many decimal point? 1 2 3 decimal point. 1 2 3 3 decimal point. So your answer is 212.1 ERMS. So RMS value of voltage. What is the unit of ERMS? Volt. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts. Okay. So what is the RMS value of current? So I am going to calculate the IRMS. Okay. The RMS value of current in the AC circuit is 10 ampere. Okay. Is 10 ampere. What is the peak current? Okay. So what is the value of I0? Okay. So like that we can relate the formula for IRMS. So what is IRMS? IRMS equal to I0 by root 2. So in the division root 2 comes to this as multiplication root 2. So root 2 times of IRMS equal to I0. So I0 equal to root 2. So what is the value of root 2? 1.414 into IRMS. So what is the value of IRMS? 10. So multiplication is 0. So that 1 decimal point. So it becomes 14.14 is the peak current. So what is the unit of current? Ampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.